Our renderer now partitions the space by level pack, level, and individual tile within a level. Let's look at the code. Inside of shader source 5, we have made an int32, some other types for our calculations, and then way down here, we have used the sample point where we're doing all of our math. We've taken the constants we calculated in a previous tutorial and injected them into the shader as defines using template string syntax. Here we are calculating the hotel chord, room chord, and tile chord. We're then localizing that coordinate by modulating by the correct values. We then convert these coordinates into 1D indexes, which we may or may not use in the future to fetch the correct data. We want to get some feedback for rendering, so we're going to make a checkerboard pattern. And the basic math for that checkerboard pattern is here. If both tiles are odd or both tiles are even, they get one color, otherwise they get the other color. And then we are going to output the frag chord by putting those different odd, even checkerboard colors into the red, green, and blue, and using 100% alpha. We have some other notes here, but we don't have time to go over them. You're going to have to check out the code yourself if you want to understand. You can check out the source code here. You have been here. This is video number 99, Void Gaze Part 2.